Hello and welcome to Sarah Crafts. I'm your host Sarah, and oh wait, I'm not. Did I say the line wrong?
Hey guys, so I decided to do a vlog of I don't know, some updates in my life and what I've been up to lately. Yeah, I just realized I haven't really posted much lately besides a couple shorts. And yeah, I kind of miss vlogging. But yeah, I really don't even know what I filmed. I just filmed a bunch of random things, so I'm probably just gonna call this fall days in my life. And I didn't really make an intro, so here's my intro now. But yeah, basically I've been really busy lately. I've been making a lot of different arts and crafts because I had a craft fair yesterday, so I'll insert that clip in right here. So yeah, that has kind of been my life lately, but now that I have a lot more free time, I could probably make more videos for you guys. But yeah, I did make a couple shorts on certain things that I was selling at my craft fair. But yeah, I haven't done a craft fair in a very long time, so yeah, I was kind of out of practice, but I feel like I did really well, so yeah. But also, I vlogged a little bit with my boyfriend. He also has a YouTube channel. It's called Patriot Contraptions, so I'll link his channel down below because he's pretty funny and he makes a lot of cool things. So yeah, you should check him out. So we basically carved pumpkins, and he was showing me his mini bike, so I'll have to insert those clips in. And then I think I did some baking, but I literally could not talk when I was doing that because my dad was redoing a room in our house, so there was a lot of banging. But I can show you that right now of what it looks like. It's kind of gonna be my craft room area. Oh, sorry, the sun is really bright right now. So this is gonna be my little craft room area / plant room, I guess. We had to bring all the plants in since it's getting colder outside now. Just at night. It's actually really warm today. But yeah, my dad redid this whole area. He's still trying to finish it up, but yeah. I'm probably gonna decorate this space a little bit and move all my, well, not all of it, but some of my art supplies over here. But yeah, it's kind of a mess right now because these are some of my craft fair things that I was selling yesterday. But yeah, it's coming together slowly. Hey guys, so I decided to do a random vlog today.
So what do you think?
I like it, it's fun.
First impressions?
I like it.
What's the best part about it?
I like going around that way and then going really fast through there. Okay, I don't know. This is my crazy weird boyfriend.
Hello and welcome to Jake's Cooking Show. Today we are analyzing the internal guts of pumpkins. This is my pumpkin number 1, and I have completely gutted it. Now that it's gutted, I will hand it off to Sarah Crafts to make an expert mannequin out of it. Whereas I will continue to carve this one into a giant insulting replica of a sailboat.
No, that's not what we're doing.
Hello and welcome to Sarah Crafts. I'm your host Sarah, and oh wait, I'm not. Did I say the line wrong?
Oh my god.
Hello and welcome. Today on Sarah Crafts, I have completely gutted this pumpkin. I'm going to hand it over to the extra Sarah, who is our host, Sarah, to carve the pumpkin with this ladle.
How about I just put it on your head?
Hello and welcome to Patriot Contraptions. This is my pumpkin head. I'm a complete expert on this, aren't I?
Okay.
Look, she's so cute. Feeling she had a nice pumpkin. Oh, she does.
Why do I look like a little midget? Okay, I'm gonna be doing a lighthouse.
Some kind of ship. I'm gonna make it some kind of ship. I don't know exactly what type, but it's gonna look really cool.
Okay, here's the progress on my pumpkin. I'm trying to do a lighthouse, but it's taking a while. And here's his bow.
It's getting there.
Okay, I have no idea what is going on here.
This is working.
And here is my cat, constantly begging. Kimiko, you just ate.